and welcome to another adventure in TV land. For today's adventure, we've got another food adventure, another snack adventure. Today we're going to try KitKat Churro, or Churro KitKats. Do you like churros? I've never had these. We're going to try them and see what they taste like. Churros okay. I'm not a huge fan necessarily. You can see here the KitKat is, I got it upside down. It's a little bit different color than normal KitKat. Let's see how this tastes. Honestly, I don't think that tastes like a churro in my opinion. It tastes more kind of like a, almost like a gingerbread cookie. Not a churro. With that said though, it is pretty good. So we got it, the KitKat Churro. Oops. The KitKat Churro! 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 This has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content. And ring that bell for email notifications. Until next time, that's a wrap.